Hi, to convert HEIF photos to JPEG on iPhone 16e, firstly we need to open our Photos app. Now find photo which was made in HEIF. So, to check this, just swipe it up and take a look right here. What we are going to do next is we need to click Share icon, then click on Options, and from Automatic in Format section, switch to Most Compatible. Then you need to tap Done, scroll a bit down and choose to save this photo to Files. Now pick where you want to save it and click Save button. And right now, to save this photo in JPEG format, we need to find our Files tab, open it, then find this photo, click it like that, or you can simply find it in the corresponding folder. Select it and make sure that it was saved in JPEG format. For that, you can click it like this, click this arrow, and take a look right here. So now we need to just select Save to Photos, and that's it. We are gonna go back in Photos app, and it should appear right next to your original one. And if you swipe it up, you should see this new format JPEG. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.